McDonald's is slimming down its menu and getting rid of a bunch of items. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. Maybe slimming down isn't the best term to use. It is still McDonald's. The restaurant chain is undergoing what it's calling menu simplification, which is just another way of saying they're ditching items that aren't selling. But according to McDonald's, it's also a way to speed up its kitchens and make the menu easier to navigate. So here's what's getting the axe: the honey mustard snack wrap, the Chipotle barbecue snack wrap, the Quarter Pounder Deluxe, the Bacon Habanero Ranch Quarter Pounder, the Bacon and Cheese Quarter Pounder, the Premium Chicken Club Sandwich, the Premium Ranch BLT Chicken Sandwich, and the Southern Style Chicken Sandwich. That's the official list, but a lot of these are still on the website, which has the Premium Chicken Deluxe Sandwich and the Fried Cherry Pie grayed out. I don't know if you can really call removing a few items from a collection of over 150 a menu simplification, especially when you still have 5 kinds of double cheeseburgers and you just replace the Quarter Pounder Deluxe with a Deluxe Quarter Pounder. But 60, now you know, pass it on.